Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. As mentioned in the previous tutorial, I'm going to divert from masking tutorials today. I will be focusing on creating a startup file for a female demo head, followed by how to rotate, move, and zoom on the canvas using shortcuts. Alright, let's begin. Let's press comma to open up the lightbox. Under Project, double-click on Female Demo Head. Press F to center the head. Turn off symmetry by pressing X. Turn off perspective by pressing P. Turn on double at Display Properties under Tools. Now, wouldn't it be nice if the moment we open up our ZBrush, all that has been done for us? Let's do that. I'm going to show you how to save a new startup project file on your desktop, which ends with ZPR, which stands for a project file. A project file saves almost everything you see on your canvas related to your model, even your subtool layers. Let's save a copy of this project before adding more subtools. Go to File, Save As, Startup _ Female Demo Head _ 3D_1 on desktop. Then let's say I click Polymesh 3D a few times. There are now 4 numbers of the same female demo head here under Tools. Let's save that again as a startup file. Go to File, Save As, type in Startup Female Demo Head 3D_4. This way we know it's a startup file with female demo head that's a Polymesh 3D with 4 numbers of female demo head. Now let's close ZBrush. Let's take a look at the 2 files that we saved under desktop and look at the file size. You will notice that the file size with _4 numbers of subtools will be bigger than the one that has only 1 female demo head. When you open it up using this project file, your multiple female demo head would still be there. This also means project files are much bigger if you have a lot of subtools compared to just saving one tool out. So just be aware of this file size issue when saving files with a lot of subtools. If you want to learn to save a tool out, you can refer to my previous video linked above. If you want to delete the additional subtools that you don't need, just click on it to activate it, then go under Subtool to click on Delete, clearing them one at a time. A quick save file, in case your ZBrush crashes, is also a ZPR file. You can access your quick save files under Lightbox and adjust the settings under Preferences. Let's turn off the Open at Launch settings. You will find quick save settings under Preferences too. Maximum number of files to adjust, amount of time ZBrush rests before quick save happens. Alright, that's all for the settings. Now, let's move on to rotate, move, and zooming. There are 2 ways to rotate your model on the canvas: clicking on a background and right-clicking on a model. The easiest is rotating on a background by tapping on the background and move your pen around. The pivot point is the spot you're clicking. If you don't want the part you're editing to rotate away from you, right-click on the part you're editing and move your pen to rotate. The pivot point of your rotation is on the model where you right-clicked. That's the center of your rotation. If the speed is making you dizzy, you can change it by going under Preferences, Interface, Navigation, and under Rotate Speed, slide the reading to the lowest number of 0.25. If you want ZBrush to remember all your settings next time you start up ZBrush, go under Preferences, Config, and click Store Config. That will save all your configuration. Let's say if you want to do some videos to share and restore it to the standard settings before editing, click on Preferences, Config, and click on Restore Standard UI. To go back to your own settings, restore Custom UI. Next, let's look at how to zoom in closer and zoom out further away from your model. Holding down Ctrl, right-click on your Wacom pen and hover left to zoom out. Hover right to zoom in. You can also adjust the speed at Preferences, Interface, Navigation, Scaling. Adjust the slider all the way down to 0.25. Next, let's learn the shortcut for Move. Holding down Alt, right-click on your Wacom pen, hover your pen to the left or to the right. Alright, that's all for navigation. Pretty easy, huh? Let's go through them again so that it's easier to remember. Press F to center the model. To rotate on the background, click and move the pen. To rotate on your edit, right-click and move your edit. To zoom in, Ctrl, hover left. To zoom out, Ctrl, hover right. To move it, alternate, right-click, hover any direction. And that's it! Last but not least, remember to subscribe by clicking on the word itself and then hover to the right and turn on the notifications. Alright, adios! I'll see you again in the next video. Remember to subscribe!